Up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we got some things that are happening since I left my live stream and stopped recording videos yesterday. Some things have happened, and one really big thing has happened to where some people in the Terra Luna Classic community know exactly what this feels like. Now it's not exactly that way, but it's crazy to see another stablecoin get hit hard, and not just get hit hard to where it's depegged to like 98 cents. No, it is seriously depegged to where you have other exchanges that are questioning and stopping the trading or conversion and all of that. But if you haven't heard the news by now, if you're waking up to the crypto market and it seems a little bit positive to you, but then also you see the overall market and you're like, wait, it doesn't look like there's much of a change, but you're seeing 2% up over the last 24 hours, 3%, 5%, whatever. It's because a stablecoin has depegged, and that stablecoin is USDC. So stablecoins are definitely in trouble right now. I would say mainly USDC, but we'll go into that in a little bit. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about the other links that are down there for referral links. If you guys want to check out some of the crypto trading platforms like Coinbase, Webull, crypto.com, KuCoin, you can check those out. Those links are in the description, should be at the top of the description. But anyways, like I left the crypto market, like I said, yesterday I wasn't looking at the crypto market after I stopped my videos and recording and all of that. I mean, I tend to glance at it from time to time and it looked kind of similar. We didn't really see anything too positive, too negative. But then this morning I started seeing things that were positive and I was like, oh, the crypto market flipped. But then I looked at the overall crypto market and I was like, it doesn't seem like there's much of a difference. What happened? Well, as I scroll down, I see everything that's green or a lot of things that are green by 2% or so. And then I see one position that's down by 8%, 8+%. And I go, this isn't the position that's supposed to be down 8%. And that position is USDC. USDC is now depegged. It's down to 91 cents, low 91 cents. It's down 8.89%. You saw this at a high, obviously, of $1, a low of 87 cents over the last 24 hours. It's down to a $37 billion market cap, so lost billions of dollars, within the day. And if you see the volume, you're seeing an increase in volume of 379%, up to $23 billion that's flowing through or out of USDC. Anyways, that comes with a market cap or a total supply of 41 billion. So you wanted to see a $41 billion market cap moving from 41 down to 37, especially in a stable coin, is not something that you want to see. So as I was looking at the market, I was like, this doesn't look good. This is not a good sign for cryptocurrency. And what's the information behind this? Like, why are we seeing this? And the main thing that came to my mind was exposure to, Silicon Valley Bank, or exposure to something that did happen. And that's exactly what it is. So USDC market cap sheds 6 billion as Circle reveals 3.3 billion exposure to Silicon Valley Bank. And we scroll down here, crypto investors have flocked to redeem their USDC coin holdings after its issuer Circle revealed it held 3.3 billion of its reverses at the failed Silicon Valley Bank. Concerns about USDC's reserves. Sorry, I said reverse. Reserves emerged after U.S. regulators took control of the bank. The stablecoin issuer confirmed that it had exposure to the institution, leading to massive withdrawals from the platform. Circle said its attempt to remove its balances from SVB on March 9th was not processed until was closed by the authorities on March 10th. So that's obviously not a good sign. And that's why you're seeing that widespread kind of panic to where people are getting out of the USDC. What's crazy is I just had USDC not too long ago to where I converted it for Terra Luna Classic. And I just had it again where I converted it for, I can't remember what it was. It might have been for Jasmy Coin, but that was only like $250. But still, it would have been less of a value. And that wouldn't have been good if this would have all happened then, but I seem to be dodging bullets left and right by not being either on these platforms that go bankrupt or collapse, or being a part of these stable coins that people tell me to be a part of, and like, hey, you should have USDC. And what's crazy, if people are gaining a percentage or an APY with USDC on like maybe crypto.com or whatever platform, you also probably have lost more than what you have gained throughout that whole entire time of holding USDC. So I remember seeing USDC at like a 20, no, it was a 12% APY that you could have had on Coinbase. But now it's obviously down. They're not really, providing that, now. USDC market cap shed 6 billion in 24 hours. USDC market cap has lost around 6 billion within the 24 hours as crypto investors turn to rival stablecoins. According to USDC's market cap fell to 36.9 billion from 43.37 billion. Oh, you know what? They actually have burned. So that's another part of it. So I was wondering why it was at 43, but they actually have burned some. So blockchain analytic firm PeckShield tweeted that Circle burned 2.7 billion USDC within 24 hours, and added 70% of these burns were made in the last 8 hours. So that's something that takes away from the overall amount, which obviously increases the prices, showing that if you guys wanted something that proves deflationary models actually work, burning off these coins create a little bit more of a price increase and get it back up to certain levels. But with the widespread panic of people that are holding USDC, it's like, do I need to hold USDC? If I was holding it, I would probably think the same way, like, oh, should I be a part of this? But then again, if people are trying not to be a part of it, then it could be a situation where you essentially collapse the position overall, but it is backed. So it's not going to be something that we really have to worry about there. Anyways, let's go back into this. I did want to go into one part of it. So it lost its peg, went down to about 90 cents. Let's scroll down here. So top crypto exchanges, Binance and Coinbase, say they would suspend USDC conversion, citing market conditions. Binance said the move was a normal risk management procedural step to take. Coinbase also suspended the stablecoins conversion over the weekend. The US-based exchange plans to conversion on Monday, and the banks meanwhile, sorry, I'm looking for the spot that I thought was interesting. Meanwhile, the Circle chief strategy officer and head of global policy, Dante, said the issuer protected stablecoins from the black swan failure. I can't remember where I was going with this, but I thought there was another important piece that I wanted to call out. Despite the added Silvergate, our teams have worked at speeds to limit any exposure to the bank. This includes a wire transfer requested made before SVB's FDIC receivership. Yeah, I don't know what else I thought was interesting here, but either way, seeing a USDC that has depegged, seeing how this has dropped down to a pretty low level. It's definitely creating some panic here. Now, are stablecoins overall in trouble? I think if you have any exposure to situations like this, then yeah, you can say they are. But I think they will find a way. I think USDC will easily survive. It's just going to create a bit of panic for these next maybe a couple of days over the weekend, and then find a way to get back to normal, as we get to the weekday. But it's crazy because you see these things that come out of nowhere where it's like this thing happened with SVB, and then, a few days later or a day later or something like that, a period of time later, you're going to see exposure where they were trying to hide that exposure. And now that exposure gets out and it's much worse than what it would have been. I mean, maybe, I don't know. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I just wanted to comment on this right now, that USDC, has depegged. It's slowly making a little bit of its way up. But still, it's still at 91 cents, way lower than the just standard Depeg state of 98 cents. So you got some work to do, USDC, you really do. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links that are down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.